Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to use Reddit for traffic generation. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you're using your Reddit for traffic generation, then you can simply build your traffic by building your trust through genuine and engaging contents or engagements. So you need to follow a niche specific rule and avoid direct spammy self promotions. So key strategy includes providing high value comments on popular high ranking threads, creating valuable text posts that solve problems, and using your profile bio to house links rather than posting them directly. So if you're going to use your Reddit in such way and create genuine traffic, then it will help you in generating traffic in your Reddit. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video. We will be back again really soon.